All right, today I'm gonna work on my SHOVELHEAD 1981. Check the playlist above, wherever it may be. Me dinking around with this thing. I've been trying to get it to run. In the playlist you'll see I got oil pump figured out. It runs now, goes down the street. It needs to stop billowing smoke out. So what I'm gonna do is take the top end off and try to seal up the valves. So when I'm doing it, I'll try to show you. I need to take it off to buy the right gaskets for it because I think it's a stroker motor maybe. And I gotta measure the bore size and pistons and all that junk and see what's going on. I wanted to just do the front head and not do the back, but I think I gotta do both. Movie magic, I'll see you on the other side. First I gotta move this pile of junk, put it over there, and then get the old SHOVELHEAD on the lift so I have somewhere to work. So here it is now. It's on the lift. All right, now I got to do all the not so fun stuff that I already spent doing a million times over. I got to take the tank off, exhaust, carburetor, and that should be it. So let's get to it. All right, as you can see, it's ready to go. Tank's off, carb's gone, push rod thingamajiggers are out. Everything's told me to just take the bolts off from the bottom, so I need to find a socket for that. I might have to go borrow one, but I think I got some. You never know what's in the old dirty toolbox, but I'm gonna take this whole thing off as one and then put it on the bench and take the top ones off. I think that'll be a little easier. I'm gonna look it up and we'll see what happens. All right, here's the last bolt. These things are a pain in the nuts to get out. This one you leave in there, and then I'll take the head off. But I didn't have any 12-point anything, so I had to use this 11. That's all I had, and it was bending the whole time trying to break these, but I broke them a little bit at a time, all the way around. All right, let's try to get this bad boy off without too much craziness. Okay. Nice. Actually came off easy. Boom, there it is. Inspecting this, there's a lot of oil in there. I don't know if it's going past the rings or what, but that's definitely a lot. That's just from kicking it around, trying to get it to top dead center. Alright, so why I took this off is I need to order stuff for it, and I need to know the size of this piston. So I just measured it, ghetto-ly, and if you notice, it's past half. So it should be, I'm just doing this one-handed, so it's tough. It should be 3 5/8, I think. And that's a big bore kit, boys.
They'll be trying to drink their own sweat to survive, brother.
All right, I got the head up here. I'm gonna try to take it apart as much as I can and go from there. Let's see what's going on here. My washers. Try to save those. Okay, I think I got them. Okay. Everything seems normalish. Right away, this rocker box doesn't go down. We got one of these bad boys. Now I just gotta clean them up and order some gaskets. I got it all displayed out for one side of the head. The exhaust has a lot of oil in it, which I expected. The other side doesn't even look terribly bad. But I'm gonna clean it up. These look pretty good. They kind of stick though. So I might have to investigate that. It's supposed to fall down on their own. And then this thing's got a lot of oil in it, so I don't know if it's coming from the exhaust port or what. But I'll take this bad boy off and try to figure it out. But there's no scarring in there, not that I've noticed yet. It looks pretty normal. All right, that's all I got for you today. I'm gonna go get the parts today now that I know some specs. I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna get some tools to put it back together. I need some specialty stuff and maybe buy some bolts. I don't really want to spend too much money. It's damn near Christmas, so we'll see what happens. I might have to put it on the old credit card. But anyways, head over to my website, deathmetalcycles.com. Get yourself some merch for Christmas. And yeah, if you see something and you know what it is, put it in the comments and tell me what you want to see next.